Hi, my name is Florence Tay. I'm a research services librarian at the Swilley Graduate and Professional Library in Atlanta. In this video, I will show where to download the free open source citation manager Zotero and the Zotero browser connector, how to add articles and web pages to your Zotero library, and how to create a reference list using Zotero. Go to zotero.org. If you have not already, create a Zotero account by selecting Log In on the upper right of the Zotero page. Select Register for a free account. Create a username, add an email, and create a password before selecting Register. Go to zotero.org and select Download. I'm currently on a Windows computer using the Chrome browser, but Zotero also works for Mac and Firefox and Safari browsers. Download the appropriate Zotero application to your computer. After installing Zotero, you may need to restart your computer. Open the Zotero application installed on your computer. Select Setup Syncing. Enter the username and password that you use to create your online Zotero account. Click on Cite to see the citation styles that are included with Zotero by default. If the one that you need is not on this list, click on Get Additional Styles. I already have references in my Zotero account, but if you're using Zotero for the first time, it should be empty. References saved in Zotero can be organized into collections. To create a new collection, right-click on My Library and select New Collection. Name the collection. From the Zotero download page at zotero.org/download on the web browser, select Install Chrome Connector. Select Add to Chrome. Select Add Extension. Pin the Zotero connector to Chrome's toolbar by selecting the puzzle piece icon in the upper right corner and selecting the push pin icon next to Zotero connector so that there is a slash covering it. Go to libraries.mercer.edu. Find and search one of the library's databases. I will be searching the PsycInfo database. Say that I wanted to add this third article to Zotero. I would select Abstract Details so that only one reference appeared on screen. Then I would select the document icon to the right of the address bar. I can select which collection I want this article saved to, and then hit the Enter key. This article does not have the full text available from this database, but I can select Find a Copy. To see that it is available elsewhere. I can select the document icon to the right of the address bar. To add this article to Zotero, hit Enter. I will do this a couple more times. Looking at the collection containing the references I added, I can see which ones have the red icon indicating that the full text is attached. This also works with web pages that do not reference articles nor books. Select the document icon to the right of the address bar. And a snapshot of the web page is added to Zotero. If I already have an article saved to my computer's hard drive that I want added to Zotero, I can drag and drop the PDF into Zotero. Zotero automatically added the article title, the author's names, the journal title, volume number, and more. If I have the reference in Zotero without the PDF, but the PDF is on my computer's hard drive, I can right-click on the title, mouse over Add Attachment, and select File. I can add a book title with its ISBN or an article title with its DOI number or PubMed ID. I can also add a title to Zotero manually by selecting the new item icon, selecting the type of resource that it is, and typing the information about the source in the right frame. Chances are that you are watching this video to learn how to use Zotero to create a reference list in a particular citation style. No citation manager will be 100% correct all the time, so you will still need to know the citation styles rules to correct any mistakes from the citation manager. I'm using APA 7th edition style. If there are only one or two references that I want in a particular style, I can select the references. Hold down the Control key to select additional references. Right-click on a reference. Select Create Bibliography from Items. If I'm pasting the reference into another document, I'll select the bubble next to Copy to Clipboard. If I'm creating a new document containing the reference, I'll select Save as RTF. Open the document in the Downloads folder. If any of the information is inaccurate, I can select the text in Zotero and edit it. If a title is in title case, and I need it to be in sentence case for APA style, I can select the three dots to the right of the title and select sentence case. If the author's first name is displayed first instead of their last name, I can select the three dots to the right of the name and select Swap First/Last Name. It is better to make the corrections within Zotero instead of from within the Word document, otherwise the next time that I create a bibliography, it will draw from the same mistakes saved in Zotero. These are the basics of how to use the downloaded version of Zotero. Watch the video on how to use the Zotero Word plugin to cite while you write within Microsoft Word. If you have any questions, you can go to the library's homepage and select Ask a Librarian in the top right corner. You'll see the hours that a Mercer librarian is available. Most Mercerians contacting us live online from their computers use Ask a Librarian chat. We may ask you to come into a Zoom room so that you can share your database search screen. You can request a Zoom or in-person appointment with one of us, or contact us by email or phone.